Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Mazda CX-7 guys, but what we'll be doing might actually work on Mazda 3, Speed 3 as well. We'll show you guys how to remove and how to replace engine mount, passenger side engine mount. If this engine mount is bad guys, your car might vibrate, the dash will vibrate under acceleration, under certain conditions, so that mount will need to be replaced. That's what we'll be doing today. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So this is guys what the engine looks like. This is a spare engine that we'll be putting in this car. It has very low miles. We started taking ours apart. Usually the passenger side engine mount bolts to the side of the engine. Okay, right here, let me show you quick. This is your passenger side engine mount. Even though we have the intercooler removed and the intake manifold, you don't have to do any of that guys. So just let's focus on the engine mount now. We'll show you what needs to be done. So in order to remove guys the engine mount, what you have to do, okay, you have to get a jack. Okay, I recommend to get a jack stand to wood block. That's a must guys. If you don't use a wood block, you'll punch a hole in your oil pan. Support the engine on the bottom, okay, and you want to pump it a little bit, okay, because you will have some pressure from the engine, okay, on the engine mount. So just pump probably about half an inch. You will need to start removing the bolts. This is a ground wire there, and it's very important guys, okay, once you start removing towards the last bolts, to check if the engine starts dropping or if it's too much up, so you need to adjust your jack. So you have to be extremely careful. Okay, this ground wire is out. Now we have 17mm socket. Okay, those nuts, once we get the second one loose, you have to be extremely careful guys. Okay, this one is super tight. Okay, came loose. Now let me come on this side to show you what's happening, because from there almost impossible guys. The 3 bolts on the bottom, get those loose. Perfect, now we'll get a little impact, so we'll see if we can remove those. Okay, one bolt is out. Perfect. Second bolt here. Third bolt over there. Now the 2 nuts guys, after you remove the first one, you have to be extremely careful and slowly remove the second one and readjust the engine until there is no pressure on the mount. Okay, slowly now. Okay, ours. You can see guys, engine's good, it didn't drop, and the mount guys came out of the way. Okay, you can see just like that. This is the mount. If your bolt comes loose, you need to retighten this one later, so don't forget to do that. Ours came loose and then it came loose at the same time. You can use reverse torque socket to get those studs tight. And this is guys the engine mount. So that's how you guys remove the engine mount. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Check out guys the description of the video for all the parts and tools that we use, including the replacement mount. Thank you again for the support watching us, and see you guys next time.